Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start right now by prepping. Put on gloves and clear the sink. Why? Stainless steel resists corrosion, but surface iron deposits cause visible rust, so you remove only the rust, not the metal. Apply a thick baking soda paste to the rust spot and let it sit 30-60 seconds. Then scrub gently with a nylon pad following the grain, short, controlled strokes. Once done, rinse the area and check progress. If light rust remains, repeat the paste and gentle scrubbing until reduced. Next, attack tougher stains using acid plus abrasion. Saturate the spot with white vinegar or lemon juice to dissolve iron oxides. This chemically lifts rust so your scrub works less hard. For stubborn marks, sprinkle a little salt, add lemon, and let it sit 5-10 minutes. Then scrub along the grain. If you must use metal wool, choose #0000 stainless wool and use very light pressure to avoid scratches. Make sure to rinse frequently to inspect progress and prevent overworking the metal finish. To finish, rinse the sink thoroughly and dry with a microfiber cloth. Drying prevents new iron deposits. Buff the area with a stainless polish or a light coating of olive oil to restore shine and add short-term protection. Make sure to avoid abrasive cleaners that change the finish. If a stain persists after repeated safe methods, use a commercial oxalic acid cleaner carefully, following label instructions, or consult a professional. Troubleshooting tip: if scratching appears, stop and switch to a gentler method or polish to blend the scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.